Bitcoin is right now developing a new symmetrical triangle, just like we did exactly over here. And after that, we got a huge bump towards the upside. And in about 11 hours, we will be seeing this breakout of this symmetrical triangle we are forming. And at the same time, we are still developing some kind of a CME gap, and momentum is starting to look weaker. We are creating some bearish divergences, and also we can be seeing that every single move is getting smaller and smaller. So price action is weakening right now. So what does this exactly mean for the Bitcoin price, and what are we going to be doing next? So first of all, in the larger picture, while Bitcoin is still looking very good, we are still getting our breakout finally of our cup and handle pattern. And I am still in my Bitcoin trade right now, racking in about 5.1k in profits. So what is very important to know is that we are in a very strong uptrend right here. And because of that, we basically have two options. The first option is going to be that we are just going to be pumping even further and even higher. But the second option is that we are going to be seeing some kind of a retracement and then once again dip a little bit and then bounce once again towards the upside. Because of course we do know eventually we will be getting this move towards the upside still, because the larger picture is still looking so good for Bitcoin. Every single chart is right now just lining up and still telling us that we can be moving even higher. So that is why in the end of the day, while this move towards the upside is going to be imminent, but it is just going to be a question in the short term if we are going to be getting a breakdown or a break towards the upside. So today we will be getting our breakout of this small symmetrical triangle in the very short term, and we will be seeing if we will be getting this momentum towards the downside, because the momentum indicators are right now telling us, all right, momentum is slowing down, so maybe it is going to be more likely that we are actually going to be getting a breakdown in the short term. But of course, if we are going to be breaking out towards the upside, it is going to be a similar move like this one, a very strong move towards the upside, because, well, the trend is still very strong towards the upside. Other than that, well, we are still holding some kind of a 1 hourly support level right here. As you can be seeing previously around, it was resistance right here, and right now it is being retested as support. So whenever we will come down back towards the support level, do expect some support coming in, because of course one thing is for sure, we are right now trading in the weekend. So because we are trading in the weekend, it will be very likely we will be coming back up, all the way back up towards the CME futures close price, which was about 31.1k. So in the beginning of next week, it will be very likely that we will be once again coming back towards this level right here, because, well, this happens all of the time actually in the weekend. 9 out of the 10 CME gaps tend to get filled rather sooner than later. You can be seeing it previously around all of the time it got filled right here. So eventually this one will also get filled. But guys, one thing is for sure, well, these institutions are right now buying Bitcoin. This Bitcoin pump is yet to be continued towards the upside. So even though maybe potentially in the very short term we might be getting some kind of a pullback, well, I'm still going to be keeping my position open, might be even adding a little bit more money, because in the end of the day, well, I do think the overall trend is going to be towards the upside. The funding rates are starting to get a little bit higher. Of course, that is also suggesting that yes, indeed, maybe in the imminent short term, we might be expecting some kind of a pullback, but still the funding rates are not that high in the end of the day. So still there's more potential room for the upside. So be sure to be updated on my Twitter profile about this breakout exactly, because I'll be sharing it as soon as possible. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.